So you've been invited to a pop-up GAELTACHT, or you finally decided to join that Irish language group that meets once a week in the library. You might still feel a little nervy-seach, a little bit nervous about your level of Irish and you have enough Irish. And something I would say to everybody is, no matter what your level is at, never apologise for being a learner. So we have some phrases here. I have some phrases that is going to help you go to some of these events for the first time. So the first one here we have is Níl go leor Gaeilge agam tá mbeidh foghlaim. Okay, you see here that I've kept the sentences quite kind of short. Níl go leor Gaeilge agam tá mbeidh foghlaim. I don't have a lot of Irish, I am learning. And we might want to say tá breá with that, like I'm sorry, but you do not have to apologise. Níl go leor Gaeilge agam tá mbeidh foghlaim. Okay, the next one. Is breá an Ghaeilge. I love Irish, or I like Irish a lot. Is breá an Ghaeilge bhreá cúpla fhoghlaim. Bhreá cúpla fhoghlaim. So I'd love to learn a few words. Is breá an Ghaeilge bhreá. So is breá I like, bhreá I would like. I'd like to learn a few words. Bhreá cúpla fhoghlaim. Okay, so this next one, obviously these events are socialta, they're sociable, and they're neabhar malta, they're informal. So depending on where you are and the kind of if you're in the pubs, tseachtain, or maybe you're in the library, you can change this question. So on my deoch againn. On my deoch againn. When we have a drink. On my deoch againn. And then you can answer with bheidh or ní. Now, I know some dialects pronounce this a little bit differently. You might say on mbeidh, deoch againn, or on my, deoch againn, bheidh, nu ní bheidh, ní bheidh. So whatever your dialect is, you can go with that. And obviously you can change that out if you are maybe not the tseachtain yet. You might say, oh, well, we have a cup of tea, or we have some tea on my té againn. Okay, so you can kind of personalize that depending where it is that where you are. So next, this one is really nice. So if you're going for the first time and you're introducing yourself to somebody, Deas bualadh if you're speaking to one person, so nice to meet you, Deas bualadh, or Deas libh if you are speaking to a couple of people, a group of people. Deas bualadh is mise. So this is where you're introducing yourself. I'm such and such. So is mise Ciara, mar hampla. Deas bualadh is mise Ciara. Okay, so this next one is kind of handy if somebody says something and you didn't quite catch what they said, maybe you didn't hear what they said, or you didn't understand what they said, which is tá sin cearcal, that's okay. Abair sin arís le thoil. Abair sin arís le thoil. Say that again, please. Say that again, please. Now, this isn't kind of, you're given the order here. And this is just a little bit easier, especially when you're learning structures, just to kind of give things in the order form here. So, Abair sin arís le thoil. Abair sin arís le thoil. Say that again, please. Okay, so if you're going to make plans that you might see some of these people, or, somebody again, maybe the following week, Feicfidh mé an tseachtain se chugainn hu. Feicfidh mé an tseachtain se chugainn hu if you're speaking to one person. Feicfidh mé an tseachtain se chugainn sibh if you're speaking to a group of people. And somebody might respond, oh, feicfidh cinnte. You will indeed. Feicfidh cinnte. You will surely, or you will indeed. Mata si bhgéad níos mó Gaeilge ólam, leannaigh mé an man ho síalta agus feicfidh me sa géad éis na sibh chuirde, slán go fólaí.